Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Qatar. We just landed into Doha International Airport. The local time is 11:11 in the morning and outside temperature is 44 degrees Celsius. For your own safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the seatbelt sign has been switched off. Before leaving the aircraft, please ensure that you have taken all your personal belongings with you. Customers requiring boarding passes for their onward connections are requested to coordinate with the ground staff. Customers holding onward boarding passes are advised to check the flight information display for get assignment information. May we also remind you to have your color-coded boarding pass wallets ready when disembarking until you reach your terminal. For all Doha-bound customers, kindly proceed to new arrival terminal for immigrations and customs clearance. For customers who are flying transit to using first class or business class to onward destinations with Qatar Airways, the ground transfer will take you to exclusive premium terminal where you can relax and enjoy your five-star facilities. Please present your premium terminal invitation card to ground staff as you disembark. You can also check in online at QatarAirways.com by selecting your preferred seat up to 36 hours before departure. QatarAirways.com, it couldn't be simpler. Qatar Airways' preferred hotel in Doha is the Orix Sultana Hotel. On behalf of Qatar Airways, Captain Mark and the crew, we hope you've enjoyed your flight today and thank you for flying Qatar Airways. May have a pleasant stay here in Doha or a safe onward journey. Alright, good morning.